You have got to try these Guyanese style pancakes, also known as Chota or Dosa. So I'm starting off by adding 2 cups of self-raising flour to a bowl. I also add some baking powder, some sugar and some water, and I whisk this all together. So compared to your American style pancakes, you'll see that I'm adding no eggs and no milk, which essentially makes for a much thicker and denser pancake. I've got some cinnamon, some vanilla extract, and I'm just going to whisk this into the batter. Finally, I add 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter and I whisk this in. This is a sort of texture you want for your batter, and then I'm just going to start to cook it. So I've added some butter to a pan. I'm just going to allow that to melt, and then I'm going to use a cup to add my batter to the pan. You want to cook it until you start to see bubbles form like you see here. So altogether on each side, you're cooking it for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to hot temperature. You now just want to continue with these same steps until you've used up all your batter. This recipe gets you a serving size for around 2 people. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.